Hello bachcho, let's read the given question, and the question states that the coefficient of x to the power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x squared plus x cube whole to the power 6 is option 1 is minus 144, option 2 is 132, option C is 144, option 4 is minus 132. So the key concept to solve such type of question is the binomial expansion of of 1 plus x to the power n is given by, so if we have expression 1 plus x to the power n, so we can write this as summation of ncr x to the power r, where r is varying from 0 to n. Also, coefficient of x to the power r in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n is equal to ncr. Right, so we will use this concept here to solve this question. So we have been given an expression that is 1 minus x squared plus x cube whole to the power 6. So we can write this as equal to 1 multiplied by 1 minus x, and then if we take minus x squared common, so it will be 1 minus x. So again, if we take this 1 minus x common, so we can write 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus x squared, and we will have whole to the power 6 here also and 6 here also. And as we know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, so we will break this 1 minus x square in this term, so we can write 1 minus x multiplied by 1 plus x whole to the power 6. So इसे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं नेक्स्ट 1 minus x whole square multiplied by 1 plus x whole to the power 6. So यहाँ से अगर हम पावर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दें इंडिविजुअल टर्म्स पे, तो we will have 1 minus x to the power 12 multiplied by 1 plus x to the power 6. Now we can write coefficient of x to the power r in expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 6. So ये क्या हो जाएगी, यहाँ n की जगह पे 6 है, तो we can write this as 6cr. Similarly, we can write coefficient of x to the power r in expansion of 1 minus x to the power 12. So यहाँ पे x की जगह minus x है, so we will write this as minus 1 to the power r, and this will be 12c 6, 12c 9, 12c n, right? So we have to find coefficient of x to the power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x to the power 12 multiplied by 1 plus x whole to the power 6. So इसकी क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है? So अगर हम इस टर्म में से x को ले ले, दैट इज x ले, और यहाँ से x टू द पावर 6 ले ले, तो इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट जो होगा x टू द पावर 7 हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली इस टर्म से हम x स्क्वायर ले ले और यहाँ से x टू द पावर 5 ले ले, यहाँ x क्यूब ले और यहाँ से x टू द पावर 4 ले ले, एंड सो ऑन अप टू इस टर्म से अगर हम x टू द पावर 7 ले ले और यहाँ से x टू द पावर 0. सो इतनी पॉसिबिलिटीज है. सो वन बाई वन हम सारे कंडीशंस को यहाँ एक एक करके फाइंड करेंगे. सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x to the power 7 of x in 1 minus x to the power 12 multiplied by coefficient of x to the power 6 in the expansion of 1 plus 6 whole to the power 6. Similarly, so यहाँ पे आप प्लस और नेक्स्ट टर्म में फिर हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ 1 minus x to the power 12 और मल्टीप्लाई बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x to the power 5 in the expansion of again 1 plus x whole to the power 6 again plus ये, and so on up to coefficient of x to the power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x to the power 12 multiply by coefficient of x to the power 0 in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 6. So इसे हम अगर 1 by 1 सॉल्व करें, तो यहाँ से कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x टू द पावर 1 इन द एक्सपेंशन, तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस 1 टू द पावर 1 एंड 12c1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 6c6 and then next term में that will be minus 1 to the power 2 12c2 multiplied by 6c5. Next term again minus 1 to the power 3 12c3 multiplied by 6c4 plus minus 1 to the power 4 12c4 multiplied by 6c3. Again minus 1 to the power 5 12c5 6c2 plus minus 1 to the power 6 12c6 multiplied by 6c1 plus minus 1 to the power 7 12c7 6c0. सो इतने सारे टर्म्स होंगे. अब हमें इंडिविजुअली इन सारे की वैल्यूज को फाइंड करना है. सो इसे हम सॉल्व करें, देन वी विल गेट minus 1 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 66 multiplied by plus. So this will be minus 1 multiplied by 220 multiplied by 15 plus 1 multiplied by 495 multiplied by 20 and then plus minus 1 multiplied by 792 multiplied by 15 plus 1 multiplied by 924 multiplied by 6 minus 1 multiplied by 1792 multiplied by 1. सो इसे अगर हम फिर से अब सारे टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें इंडिविजुअली, देन वी विल गेट minus 12 plus 396 minus 3300 plus 9900 minus 11880 plus 5544 minus 792. So ये हो जाएगी minus 144. So finally we can write the coefficient of x to the power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x square plus x cube whole to the power 6 is minus 144. So this is our final answer of the given question. So if we see the options given, then option 1 is our correct choice, that is minus 144. I hope you understood the solution. Best of luck. Thank you.